I was born for the unknown, the unforgiven, the unexplored. I was born for places that can only be reached by foot and by fortitude. For a world that's as vast as it is vicious. I was born where the land is a testing ground of perseverance and patience, where every step is a testament of determination that's unwilling to back down to the harshest of backwoods. I was born to battle biting cold and treacherous terrain, to heed a call that echoes over the mountain, through the forest, and across the marsh. I was born for where trophies are not won, but rightfully earned. LaCrosse boots, born without boundaries.